Well, I have to say that in these tough economic times, one of the most common calls that we're having are families that are working together, maybe selling 2 homes and moving together for 1. Well, today we're up in the Highlands, and the unique thing about this property is that it has not just 1, but 2 suites. Could be 1 in-laws, could be 1 family, but everybody working together gets through these tougher times. This is a beautiful house with a great view. Let's go have a look. So the first thing you'll notice when you walk in the front door is that it's a beautiful, bright layout with master bedroom on the main floor, and then you've got 2 good-sized bedrooms with a loft upstairs, so perfect for your teenage space. One of the biggest highlights is the view from the back deck. It's a big covered back deck, so great for barbecuing year-round. And then the backyard is set up for very low maintenance, perfect for if you have pets.
This feeling I live when you're close. I called this evening. I think that you already know. The shadow on the ceiling, hanging on the door, still hanging on a feeling.
So as you can see, it's a beautiful house and we would love to show it to you. Reach out to us today, info@hardyteam.ca, or if you're just curious about the value of your home in today's market, again, reach out to us and we'll look forward to talking to you soon.
I want you under my skin like a bad burn, bad burn. Oh, head rush, I fall to the floor, our hands touch, I can't feel